Hi, today I'm going to be playing through the game The Daily Weather and showing you how to play it as I go along. In the Daily Weather, you are a meteorologist trying to ascertain what today's weather is. To do that, you're going to be placing these weather pattern cards so only today's date and month are visible, along with completing in whatever today's pattern is, dictated by the week and day of the week cards. So let's get into it. Set up. Yep. Well, first, I've already taken out all the ones that you won't be named for today, okay? Because you only need 10 of the cards each day. So, well, to set up, you're gonna find whatever you need, whatever day of the week it is. So today I'm recording on a Friday, along with today's the 26th, so I'll need week 4 and 5. And you're going to put them together. This is going to show you both how you set up the month and day cards, along with what your pattern is for today. So I'm going to need this pattern because it's winter right now, along with I'm going to need this pattern with this symbol. So I'll show you more as we go along, but for now, let's put those off to the side. And one other note, these are prototype rules and components, so these may be subject to change, but hopefully these can help you as you learn to play. Okay, so the next step is to take whatever month card it is. So right now it's December, so I'm gonna need this one, and then it's the 26th, not any of these ones. These are like all the special holidays, like Christmas, which I did yesterday. But so today's 26th in December. We're gonna assemble them in this pattern. So it's month card going like vertical, and the day card going horizontal. I'll just set them up right there towards the middle of the screen. Then you're going to take the 6 pattern cards, shuffle them up, flipping some as you go. Oh, so it's nice and shuffled. And then once you're done, you put it off to the side, and then draw 2, and you're ready to go. So to win the game, I need to have only these 2 symbols showing for today. Tomorrow it'd be these 2, etc. Along with having this pattern, so like a Y, kind of like with these 3 dots. So of what needs to be in these dots is where this arrow is pointing, which is clouds for today. So I need this Y pattern made up of clouds anywhere on this thing. Note, I can't rotate it. So like this one's rotated, just a rotated version of it, or flip it. So it has to be exactly in this Y shape. So let's get started. Well, to place a card, it has to exactly match one icon and one cell of the card underneath it. So like these 2 exactly match because both the icon, water droplets, and the background, stripes, match. So I can place it like that. But these 2 only half match, so that wouldn't be allowed. So for here, because they're both water droplets, but this one has a 2-part duotone background, and this one is striped, so they don't exactly match. But let's see. Well, we got these 2, so that'll be really helpful. These 2 clouds, so that'll be really helpful with the pattern today. So, let's see where we can place them. Along with, and also this one has 2 clouds too, so we should be able to make the pattern pretty easily today. So maybe something like that. So that covers up 4 of the dates we need covered, along with prepping clouds to go here for either here and here or here and here. So yeah, that looks good. I'll take the next card, flipping it so I can see the other side, and we can keep going. So let's see. Today, with this card, oh, I could do like that, along with getting this cloud in position. So yes, that looks good. Then I'll take the next card, flip it. I could get it like that. That would be good. Or like that. But alas, those don't match. Maybe if I could do it for this one. Well, okay, that one works. Then I get the cloud and these two match. So yeah, we'll place that there. And so now I only need to cover these three icons to be able to win the game in today's game. So let's go with this right there. That looks good. Then flip the last card. That would cover it up, but we'll do some bad stuff that I don't want, which is here. If I win, I get to score wherever today's scoring ability is, which is that I have number of size 1 striped groups. Oops. So all these stripes and stuff. I get 1 point for every one that there's only one of those. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4 right now. These two though are groups of 2, so those don't count for anything. So if I put this here, I would be taking 2 1 groups and just creating a new one. That's not helpful. But here, these two match, covering that up, and gives me a new one. So yeah, that's good. Then for this last card, maybe I could go like, I kind of want to cover up one of these so that I can get points from it. So let's see. This one looks good. It's there. So now I get 2, 3 groups from the 0. And so I've now placed out all the cards. So now I look to see if only the day is available. Oh, so it is. None of the other dates are showing. And if I've completed the pattern, which for today's was this Y shape with made up of clouds, which I have it right here. All right, so that means I win. Now I can score. Scoring is number of size 1 groups of striped backgrounds. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one doesn't count because it's a 2 group. 6, 7, 8. So I scored 8 points today. So that's the daily weather. Hope this helped, and thanks for watching. Bye.